Hello, this is Pixelby once again. In this video I am gonna show you how to edit coffee effect in Snapseed application. So let's get started. First open Snapseed application. Choose your photo to edit. Select portrait and then select combo 1. Select Glamour Glow, and then select 1. Decrease saturation to -14. Select Vignette and move circle to your object. Now select Tune Image. And do all the setting just like an image on screen. You can also take screenshot of this. Now don't skip the video, because this is the most important step. Now select Curve option. And select RGB curve. Now draw all curve the like me. Now select blue curve. Now select green curve. Now select red curve. One more time, take a look on all curves. Decrease contrast to -40 for more darkness. Now select white balance, and then select temperature. The more you increase temperature, you will get more coffee effect. I am selecting it to -6. It's all done now. You can save your image and create your own Snapseed QR look for future editing. Now let's try this QR look on another photo. This is my QR look. You can download it from link in the description. Let's try urban photo with this effect. If you love my video, so please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, And press the bell icon for future update. If you have problem, then comment me below